everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is the fundamental skills for cybersecurity. Whether you are just starting or looking to level up your tech game, these skills are building a blocks for success. So let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about basic computer skills from file management to keyboard shortcuts. Understanding the fundamentals of operating system is curricular. Mastering these skills will save you time and frustration down to the road. So make sure you are comfortable with operating system of your choice and can handle tasks like a pro. Moving on to the networking skills in our increasingly connected world, understanding how data flows between devices is essential. From IP address to routers and switches, this skill set forms the backbone of modern tech. Remember, networking is not just for IT professionals, it's for anyone who wants to make the most of their digital interactions. Now, let's talk about Linux skills. This open source operating system is everywhere. From servers to embedded system, learning how to navigate and use the command line can open up a world of possibilities. Even if you are not a developer, having a Linux skills can give you a competitive edge in the tech landscape. Next up to it's time to get technical with Wireshark and Tcpdump. These tools allow you to analyze network traffic, diagnosis issue, and understand how packets are moved through the network. Being able to troubleshoot network problems give you a edge in a problem solving and can greatly enhance your networking skills. Virtualization is another fundamental skill that's changing the tech landscape. Create a virtual machines allow you to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. Whether you are testing software or learning new systems, virtual machine is a must-know skills for a tech enthusiast. As we dive deeper in technology, we can't overlook security. Understanding security concept and technology is essential to protect your data and maintain a safe digital environment. By mastering security basics, you are just safeguarding your own digital presence but contributing to a more secure online world for everyone. Last but not least, let's talk about the Wi-Fi technology. Wi-Fi is the backbone of our connected lives, and understanding its inner working can help you to troubleshoot issue and optimize your network. Whether you are a casual user or tech professionals, having a solid grasp of Wi-Fi technology can save you from a frustration of slow or reliable connections. And there you have it, folks. The fundamental skills you need to master technology and stand out in a tech world. Remember, whether you are a beginner or expert, continuous learning is a key staying ahead. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tech content. Until next time, keep on learning and exploring.